Back in school, I had a friend. Let's call him Rahul. Rahul was brilliant at drawing. His notebooks were full of creative sketches. But he ended up studying mechanical engineering, right? Today, he works in an office, doing a job he never liked, just because it seemed safe. Sound familiar, right? If you have ever been confused about choosing the right career, this video is for you, dear friends. Because today I will explain a practical step-by-step framework to help you choose a career, not based on pressure, but on logic. In the first place, let me tell you, dear friends, why we choose the wrong careers. You know, in India and many parts of the world, career choices are often made by default, right? Why does this actually happen? Two main reasons are: number one is lack of career education in schools. Number two, fear of risk. We are taught how to solve equations, but never how to make life decisions. In the second place, let me tell you, dear friends, the career triangle, a logical framework, right? So now let us try to understand career choice using this triangle. A good career lies at the intersection of these three things. Number one is what you are good at. That is your skill, right? Number two, what you enjoy the most. So that is your interest. And number three is what the world needs and pays for. This is the market demand. For example, if you are good at writing, enjoy storytelling, or content marketing is in demand. That's a career path worth exploring, right? The third place, let us try to understand how to find these three answers. Okay, but how? How do you actually find what fits this triangle? Number one, test your skills, dear friends. Take a few online skill tests. Try platforms like Six Personalities or Career Aptitude Tools. But more importantly, observe yourself. What do people come to you for help with? Number two, explore interest actively. Don't just say, I like tech. Be specific, dear friends. Do you like coding, building products, or analyzing data? Try free online courses. Platforms like Coursera and Udemy offer career samplers. Number three, research market demand, dear friends. Use LinkedIn or job portals. Search for trends. Which careers are growing? What are the top five, demand skills in 2025? So in the fourth place, let us try to break the myth of one perfect career, dear friends. There is no such thing as one perfect career. Your career will evolve with the passing of time. Most people switch jobs and even industries. So instead of thinking, what job should I do for life? Think, what direction do I want to grow in right now? Start with a direction, not a destination. And finally, dear friends, let us make this practical. Here are the three things you can do today to get clarity. Step number one, journal your interest, dear friends. Write down 5 things you enjoy doing, even if they seem random. Then see which ones you would like to explore more deeply. Step number two, talk to real, professionals. Message people on LinkedIn who are already in that career. Ask them, what does your daily life actually look like? You will be surprised how helpful strangers can be. Number three, do a micro internship or side project. Don't wait for a degree, dear friends. Try doing a small project in your area of interest, right? Want to become a graphic designer? Create 3 logos for friends. Want to become a podcaster? Record 5 episodes. Action gives you clarity, dear friends. If you are still confused, That's okay, dear friends. Confusion means you care. Just don't let fear or pressure make the decision for you. Your career is not, a race. It's a journey, dear friends. And the best journeys are taken with awareness, not speed. Share your thoughts, like the video if it helped you, and subscribe for more such content. Let's make smarter career choices together. Thank you.